Hi, this is Anthony Olivas from Vert Energy Group. Thank you for the opportunity of potentially working with you. Based on our discussion, we developed a custom proposal to help you meet all the requirements of the City of New York's Local Law 87. The purpose of this video is to quickly cover the important sections of the proposal to save you time and help make your job easier. This video will take about 7 minutes and will cover just the important topics, such as what you will need to do, how much it will cost, and how our company will make this process easier for you. New York City's Local Law 87 requires buildings over 50,000 square feet to have an approved engineering firm conduct an energy audit and retro-commissioning study once every 10 years. This will show you the opportunities you have to reduce energy and water costs, and also prioritizes recommendations based on the return on investment. The benefit of the study is that you'll be able to make the smartest and most informed decisions when considering improvements to your facility. However, if the study is not submitted to the city by your due date, they will issue a fine of $3,000 for the first year it's late, and then $5,000 for every year thereafter until it is submitted. Now, let's talk about what you'll need to do. This table shows what your responsibilities are and what we'll be doing. Your responsibilities are on the left side in gray. You will also notice this table in your proposal. It's important to mention that this process can take up to 6 months, so it's important not to wait until the last minute to start. Some of the most important things we need from you are a 12-month history of your utility bills, a pre-audit survey that we will send you, and also any mechanical and electrical plans you have available. Once we have this information, we can then schedule the building walkthrough. This will usually take 6 to 8 hours. For just the first hour only, we'll need someone to show us around and give us access to the building and mechanical rooms. This is usually done by the building engineer or property manager. After that, our team can go off on their own to collect the data we need, so you don't need to lose an entire day of work. We often get asked what we're looking for during the energy audit. In short, we're looking for anything that has potential to impact how much energy your property uses, and it varies based on the building type. So while on site, we document and take pictures of things like lighting fixtures, control systems, heating and air conditioning equipment, and anything else we'll need to determine the savings potential of our recommendations. After this, our engineering team will process the data collected and prepare your energy audit report. Our goal when working with you is to make sure this process is as least time-consuming and stressful for you as possible. So while we work on your report behind the scenes, we keep you updated through weekly progress reports. Here's an example of our weekly progress report. This tells you what we are currently working on and how much longer until we finish up. That way, you always know where we are at in your project so you can focus on more important things. We always receive great feedback from our clients about this, and I'm not aware of any other company that does this. Once we complete the report, we review everything with you. The report includes a list of energy and water saving opportunities, including how much it will save, how much it will cost to implement, and also any rebates that you can take advantage of. Here's a sample list of energy and water efficiency measures recommended. As you can see, we provide you with the net costs and savings for each recommendation, but then we take it a step further. We include a detailed financial analysis for each measure so you can decide which upgrades you want to make based on your company's investment criteria. Most engineering firms don't give this much detail because the city doesn't require that we do it. However, we go this extra mile because this is the most important information you need to know. It shows where you will get the most bang for your buck so you can make the smartest investment decisions. Any retro-commissioning measures we find must be implemented. This is required by Local Law 87, but don't worry, these are usually smaller, low-cost fixes, such as recalibrating equipment and weather stripping. Once the retro-commissioning measures are implemented, we will then submit the required energy efficiency report to the New York City Department of Buildings to get your building in compliance. We will also be a representative with the city if there are any follow-up questions, so you won't be left alone once our work is complete. If you do want to implement any of the upgrades we recommend in the energy audit, we can help you with this as well. This can include help with tasks such as creating engineered plans for major upgrades, construction management, or even smaller tasks such as reviewing proposals from vendors and applying for rebates. The last thing I'm going to talk about is why you should work with us. The information on the slide is probably what you would expect to see, our qualifications and pretty logos of our past clients. However, this is not why you should choose to work with us. Yes, we have many years of experience and are qualified to help you meet the minimum requirements of Local Law 87, but it's our focus on making your life easier that makes us the right partner for you. We do this by first helping you comply with Local Law 87 in the most cost-effective and least time-consuming way as possible. From our experience, this is where most companies stop, but we realize that this is really just the starting point. We also eliminate the risk you face of being fined by the city for missing your deadline. If we take you on as a client, that means that we guarantee to do everything the right way and on time. If not, we will pay the $3,000 to $5,000 fine for you. Besides the financial risk, we understand that one of the biggest risks you face is losing your valuable time. That's why another promise is to reduce your time commitments. Throughout this project, you can waste a lot of time responding to questions, gathering information, and following up with the project. Through our proprietary process, we will minimize your time spent during the project. This is where the idea for the weekly progress reports came, for example. And finally, we provide you with the highest quality support after the completion of this initial project. We want to be your trusted partner to not only take the burden of this law off your shoulders, but also to provide ongoing advice and help you avoid costly mistakes when making improvements to your facility. As a sign of our commitment to providing the best ongoing support, we will include a 1-year energy consulting membership for free. This membership includes access to our team of professional engineers to get expert advice and also ask for help with important tasks such as getting bids for a project and performing a thorough bid analysis. We will also keep you up to date with changes in the industry or local laws that may affect you. This membership will help save you time, money, and give you peace of mind in knowing that you have a team of dedicated professionals to help you anytime you need it, and also one that you enjoy working with. This is just one of the many reasons why you should choose us to help you comply with Local Law 87. With that, I appreciate your consideration and time watching this video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and I look forward to the opportunity to work together. Thanks again, and enjoy the rest of your day.